Nicknames from different countries: Egypt, the gift of the Nile; Japan, land of the rising sun; USA, Uncle Sam; Indonesia, the emerald of Equator; England, land of hope and glory; Italy, the boat; China, the red dragon; Finland, the land of thousand lakes; Sri Lanka, India's teardrop; Germany, the Peninsula; France, Alex Hagijan; Thailand, the white elephant; Ukraine, the bread basket of Europe; Bangladesh, the land of river; South Africa, rainbow nation; Singapore, lion city; Israel, the holy land; Nepal, roof of the world; Iceland, land of fire and ice; Russia, the land of motherland; Canada, the great white north; Philippines, the pearl of Orient seas; North Korea, hermit kingdom; Afghanistan, graveyard of heart; Mongolia, land of blue sky; Brazil, the lands of the world; Cambodia, the hell of the world; India, the land of spices; Myanmar, land of golden hedges; Ireland, the emerald Iceland;